Let's first start with an introduction to Jenkins. What is Jenkins? Jenkins is an open source continuous integration and continuous delivery tool written in Java. It's an automation server used to build and deliver software projects. Jenkins was forked from another project called Hudson after a dispute with Oracle. A major benefit of using Jenkins is that it has a lot of plugins available. There is easier to use CI software available, but Jenkins is open source, free, and it is still very popular. At the end of this lecture, I will show you some alternatives, but Jenkins is a really good program to get started with. I told you that Jenkins is a tool that can help you with continuous integration and continuous delivery. But what do those terms mean? Continuous integration, CI, is the practice in software engineering of merging all developer working copies to a shared mainline several times a day. If you are familiar with Git, you will see that continuous integration is just integrating your own code together with the rest of the project. This can be in a master branch, a develop branch, or even in your own branch. If you're not familiar with Git, I will show you how it works in one of the next demos. Continuous delivery, on the other side, abbreviated as CD, is a software engineering approach in which teams produce software in short cycles, ensuring that the software can be reliably released at any time. Jenkins can really help you to release software in short cycles and then ensure its reliability, because we're going to test and build the software over and over again. In practice, CI and CD means that we're going to verify and publish work by triggering automated builds and tests. And Jenkins is a tool that we can use for that. We're going to do these automated builds and tests for every commit, or at least once a day. All developers should push their changes to a version control, which should then be built and tested, which can be done by Jenkins. Jenkins doesn't merge code, nor it resolves code conflicts. That's still for the developer to do, using, for instance, Git and merge tools that are available. Just imagine if Bob writes some code and Ellis edits the same code, then those two developers will need to resolve their conflicts. They are editing the same code. Jenkins cannot help you with that. Jenkins is going to do the automated builds and tests. It cannot resolve the conflicts for you. Let's have a look at the benefits. Jenkins provides a feedback loop back to the developer to fix build errors. Research has shown that it's a lot quicker to have a developer fix the error immediately rather than wait with it, because it's then when the code is still fresh in memory. Jenkins can publish every build of your software. Every time someone commits a change, Jenkins can build and publish this piece of software. This build already has gone through automated testing. You can configure this in Jenkins, that Jenkins will test whether the code is good, whether the features the developer implemented actually work. And then when published and deployed to a development, a QA or a staging server, you can advance the Software Development Lifecycle, the SDLC, much quicker. The quicker you can go through an iteration of this SDLC, the better.